Are you facing any challenges in your printing environment? Emma, the sales rep, works more frequently from different locations such as her desk, meeting room, and branch office. She finds it hassle to install printer drivers at the branch office and sometimes prints to the wrong printer by mistake. James, a small business president, aims to prevent unnecessary printing and cut underutilized printers to reduce the office's carbon footprint while maintaining productivity. He also aims to enhance security by addressing unattended output. Benjamin, the IT administrator, maintains and manages all the PCs, servers, and network environments by himself. He wants to manage the printing devices and enhance security, but he aims to meet their requirements without adding more equipment. FUJIFILM Serverless On Demand Print will resolve these challenges in your printing environment. Serverless On Demand Print can be implemented without a job storage server, relying solely on printer options. You can release the print job from any other printers within your office network. Because no server is required, it is cost-effective and can be introduced with minimal burden on the IT administrator. Let's take a look at the changes after implementing Serverless On Demand Print. Emma no longer needs to install or change drivers when working at the branch office, maintaining her work efficiency. By optimizing the printer fleet based on usage frequency, he reduced the number of printers and contributed to lowering the office's CO2 emissions. Benjamin was able to establish a secure printing environment without adding more servers. This solution allows easy access to printers over the network and makes it simple to change settings. With FUJIFILM Serverless On Demand Print, we provide a printing environment to meet the needs of SMEs.